It's AumSum time!
What if cars were made of gold?
Huh?
What? That would be really crazy.
You're right, AumSum. Firstly, if cars were made of gold, cars will get very expensive. Some people may sell their house to buy one. Secondly, if cars were made of gold, some people may get extremely protective of their cars. They may lock them up in banks. Thirdly, if cars were made of gold, even a small accident will prove to be very expensive. Drivers might run away. Fourthly, if cars were made of gold, some people may keep on cleaning their cars all day long. They may never drive it. Fifthly, if cars were made of gold, thieves might give more importance to stealing a car as compared to robbing a bank. Lastly, if cars were made of gold, there may not be much gold left. People may travel to different planets to find gold.
To buy AumSum merchandise, visit AumSum.com.
What if buses disappeared?
Oh no! I just got my bus driving license!
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if buses disappeared, sale of cars may skyrocket. Secondly, if buses disappeared, people who drive taxis would be one happy lot. Thirdly, buses are generally cheaper to travel in. If buses disappeared, transportation may suddenly get expensive. Fourthly, if buses disappeared, bus drivers would have to look for a new profession. Lastly, if buses disappeared, it would get difficult for large families to go on a trip together. What if bikes disappeared?
Oh no! Will my AumSum bike also disappear?
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if bikes disappeared, bike enthusiasts would be one sad lot. Secondly, if bikes disappeared, sale of cars and bicycles may skyrocket. Thirdly, if bikes disappeared, pizza delivery guys may have to look for a new profession. Fourthly, if bikes disappeared, collectors of vintage bikes would be extremely disappointed. Lastly, if bikes disappeared, bike mechanics may have to look for a new profession.